Four Seasons Hotel stands as a hotel with luxury in the world of hospitality. This hotel was founded in 1960 by Isidore Sharp with single hotel in Toronto, Canada. Four Seasons Hotel have a properties located in various countries around the world, such as Kuala Lumpur, New York, London, Dubai, and so on. This hotel is known all over the world for providing luxurious facilities including comfortable rooms, spa, gym, and elegant waiting room. In addition, this hotel is famous for a good service from trained staff. One of the department at this hotel is sales and marketing department. As a marketer, the employees have a big responsibility to gain more profit for the hotel. To be a great employee as a marketer at Four Seasons Hotel, involvement in the training program is needed to improve the knowledge and skills. So this hotel was conducted a sales effectiveness training program. The objective of this training is to develop a comprehensive understanding of the importance of digital marketing skill in increasing sales. Next, able employees utilize Canva more efficiently to optimize sales and change sales performance by equipping salespeople with the skills and strategies needed to effectively identify and qualify prospects, build strong relationships, and close deals. The need to conduct training program for the sales and marketing department employee is by data collection method through observation and survey. The hotel manager will make an observation to identify what is the weaknesses of the employee and determine what type of the training program is needed, which is sales effectiveness training program. Through survey, the employees need to answer the question by online platform, which is the question about the training needs, the effect of previous training, and their expectation for the future training program. In sales and marketing department at Four Seasons Hotel has a pressure point that make training program is needed, which is the first pressure point is poor performance in marketing sales to increase hotel's profit. Next is less customer interaction, and the third is the weaknesses in the use of digital technology because the employees still use a traditional method in marketing, which is they print template to promote the hotel. In training needs assessment, TNA have three analyses, which is organizational analysis, task analysis, and person analysis. TNA is the process to determine whether training to address a performance gap is necessary. First is organizational analysis. The training program conducted is about sales effectiveness training program at Four Seasons Hotel. This training conducted to improve employee marketing performance by understanding more clearly about digital marketing skills. Being able to use technology Canva to optimize sales and having quality strategy, and also being able to build strong relationship with customers. Second is task analysis. The trainers program will give a task to trainees to make a creative video about the hotel, use Canva application by using skills that they training the trainers, which is video editing skills, brochure editing skills. Second task is the trainees need to present on their video and brochure that they make. Thirdly is person analysis. This training is conducted to current employees under the sales and marketing department in Four Seasons Hotel. The method used to collect data about this training program needed is through observation and survey by the manager. 15 employees will join this training program, which is held for 2 days. Hi
I'm Vaishnavi Balan, matrix number 296199. Now I'm going to continue the presentation with design of the program. Our training program site selection will be 4-season meeting hall that will be serving as the training location. For the trainees visiting the training location, it will be more convenient for them to attend the trainings. Our training program will be conducted for 2 days. On the first day, our training program will start at 8 a.m. and ended in 5 p.m. as the trainees' working hour. 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. we will start the program with the welcoming speech and continue with briefing on the current sales and profit of the hotel on the sales and marketing department. Next, we have a ice-breaking slot for the trainees. On the 9:30 p.m., we will have a talk on introduction to digital marketing. This section will have 1.5 hours. Next, we have a short break for 15 minutes for the trainees to refresh themselves. After this break, we have a talk on introduction to Canva. It will continue to 1 hour 15 minutes. After 12:30 p.m., we have a lunchtime and also Friday's prayers to Muslim until 2:30 p.m. After the 2:30 p.m., we have a workshop on brochure editing skill in Canva for the sales and marketing teams. This particular workshop will be conducted for 1 hour. After the workshop, we have a little tea break and prayers time for them to refresh, to continue to the other sections. 4:30 to 5:30, we have a workshop on video editing skill in Canva. This particular workshop will be conducted for 1 hour that will end in 5 p.m. At 5 p.m. After 5 p.m., the trainees can disperse. For the second day, our training program will start at 7:30 with energizer and breakfast for 1 hour. 8 sharp at 8:30, our program will start with skills and creativity shows task. This task will be conducted for 1 hour. After the task 9:30 to 10:30, we have a presentation on the video and brochure that have been done in the previous day. 10:30 to 11:30, we have a talk on develop on your sales skills and knowledge. After the talk, we have an in-person sales training workshop on 11:30 to 12:30. 12:30 to 2 p.m. we have a lunchtime and prayers together. After the prayers, 2:30 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. we have a sandler training technique will be conducted. 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. we have a closing ceremony and certificate giving for the sales and marketing department. 5 p.m. the trainees can disperse. The next part is training objective. Our training program objective is to develop a comprehensive understanding of the importance of digital marketing skills in increasing sales. The next will be sales and marketing department able to utilize Canva more effectively to optimize the sales. The third one will be to enhance sales performance by equipping salespersons with skills and strategy needed to effectively identify and qualify prospects, build strong relationship and close the deal with the customers.
Hello, my name is Jessica. So now I'm going to explain about the development of the program. So for the first day, they got 4 sections, and the seating arrangement we used in day 1 is classroom seating and fan type seating. We use classroom seating as it improvises accessibility, interaction and participation, and fan type seating maximize engagement and visibility in training programs. And the training method we use in day one of training program is lecture, which delivering info verbally about the importance, benefits, and the ways to increase digital marketing skills. The first session of day one training program is briefing on current sales and profits of hotel to the department. Trainees can acknowledge the hotel's current financial situation through this session and help them to identify strengths and opportunities for improvement. The seating arrangement for the first session will be classroom seating style, and the training method will be lecture. The second section will be talk on introduction on digital marketing. In this section, trainees could recognize the basic elements and the importance of digital marketing, and the trainer will provide hands-out to the trainees. The seating arrangement for this session is classroom seating, and the training method will be remain same as lecture. The third section will be talk on introduction to Canva. Through this section, trainees could understand basic concept of Canva and learn how to use Canva to create digital content. Trainees will engage in live demonstrations of Canva by access to computer. The seating type for this session will be fan type seating as it will be conducted in computer lab, and the training method will be lecture. And the last session for day one training program will be briefing on brochure and video editing skills in Canva. Trainees could develop skills in brochure editing using Canva through this session, and trainer will demonstrate brochure editing techniques and trainee practice along through computers. This session also will be conducted in computer lab as they need to use computer for this training session, and the seating arrangement for this training session is fan type seating, and the training method will be remain same as lecture. And now let's go through day 2 of training program. They got 5 sessions in day 2. The seating arrangements we used in day 2 of training program will be classroom seating, fan type seating, and also hall show arrangement, which will be suitable for gatherings that focus on dialogues such as presentation, and it's also promote interaction when they can make use of center area for talks. The training method we use in day 2 will be presentations, lecture, hands-on activity, which provide practical experience to exercise to develop editing skills. And the another one will be role playing, which allow training to simulate real world scenarios, developing decision making, and strengthening data analysis skills and closing deals. The first session for day 2 will be skills and creativity shown task. Trainees could apply learned skills in creating brochures and videos and to showcase their creativity in this task. The seating arrangement for this session will be fan type seating, and the training method will be hands-on activity. The second session will be presentations on their video and brochures. Trainees will present the created content and also participate in feedback session. The seating arrangement for this session will be horseshoe arrangement, and the training method will be presentation. The third session will be talk on develop your sales skills and knowledge. Trainees could enhance knowledge on sales strategies, and trainer will provide hands-on content information about sales strategies in this session. And the seating arrangement will be classroom seating, and the training method will be lecture. The last session for this training program will be Sandler training techniques, which trainees can use these Sandler methods to acquire advanced sales techniques. They will practice Sandler techniques in groups in this session, and the seating arrangement will be classroom seating, and training method will be lecture and role playing in this session.
Implementation. Program implementation refers to the process of executing a plan or a strategy to achieve specific objectives. In the context of software development, program implementation involves translating a design or a plan into an operational program or system. The implementation of pre-health training is very important in creating a hotel industry that develops with progress and can attract many customers, and at the same time it can produce many quality workers responsible with unique skill and so on. Therefore, the implementation of training program in the sales of marketing department involves several critical perhaps to ensure the effectiveness, and alignment of the program with the organization goals. So this program runs of 2 days only. The first day of this program, there are 4 sessions involving briefing, thought, and the fourth session is a briefing in brochure and video editing skill in Canva. On the next day, there are 5 sessions, namely is the first session, there are tasks related to skill and creativity show tasks. The second session and the third is the presentation and thought about developing your skill and knowledge. The next section is the role play, and the last section is thought about Sandler training techniques. Therefore, there are some challenges we face during the implementation of the training program recommended by the sales and marketing department under the four-star hotel company, namely the place, time, and speaker problem. The first challenges we face throughout the implementation of this training program is the first problem where we get objection from the superiors related to the place we choose to make this program is not suitable with the program we will run. This is because the place is not equipped with complete facilities such as presentation, equipment, liquid crystal display, LCD, and comfortable space. In addition, there is another factor that caused this problem to occur is that the trip takes a long time and it's not strategic. The way to overcome the problem of location is to provide on-site training at the workplace. By providing an on-site training approach that is held directly at the workplace to reduce travel time, facilities such as LCD, microphone, projector, and so on. Can also include the comfort of the employees involved in NFT training. The second challenge is time management. Time management is very important to ensure the program runs smoothly without interrupting family time. We are faced with the challenges of time constraint due to the selection of committed members who are not responsible in managing matters related to this program. For example, committed members do not carry out the tasks entrusted by the program managers, give various reasons, and do not organize the task schedule correctly. As a result, the implementation of the program does not run smoothly and often face problems in organizing the schedule and ensuring that all activities are carried out according to the set schedule. Time delays can also disrupt the implementation process and cause the entire program to be disrupted. To overcome this program is to rearrange the schedule flexible. This problem caused the sound produced to be unclear, interpreted, or noisy, which interfere with activities such as presentation, acting, and lectures. This also interferes with the understanding and involvement of employees involved in this training program. Technical problems with the software used by the speaker may also cause delay of sessions. The lack of mastery of the material by the speaker caused the presentation to be less effective. Equipment such as microphones, speakers, LCD, and audio must work properly for the smoothness of the program. The way to overcome this problem is technology inspections periodically.
Hi everyone. Now I'll be talking about the program evaluation. Now, as we know, training evaluation is a process that analyzes whether the training program was effective and efficient or not for the participants who participate in it. Now, trainers and human resource professionals will evaluate the training program and check whether the training program has achieved its predetermined goals or not. How the training program would then receive it's used to receive feedback from the managers and trainers. This is the feedback is used to determine their strengths and weaknesses. Next, we have the outcome evaluation, which is a measurement of the final result of the training program. The purpose is to know the effectiveness of the training program that influences the changes on the training. Through this evaluation, the organization will know if the training program has achieved its goal or not. Yeah, next is the evaluation design part. Before we go into the evaluation design part, I would like to say that the Kirkpatrick model was used in this evaluation to evaluate the effectiveness of the program. How there are two levels of the Kirkpatrick model that was used, which is first is reaction and the second one is learning outcome. In the reaction model, the trainers will evaluate the reaction of trainees towards the in-person training and simulation training that have been done. Then they would monitor how the trainees respond when asked about the training techniques that benefits them and the experience they have. Okay, the evaluation designed to support this reaction model is the post-test only evaluation design, where the trainees would just have to answer a survey and also just sit for an interview and answer the questions. This is so that the trainers can see what the amount of questions the trainees can answer in a limited time. Next is the learning outcomes. The next level is the learning outcomes. Okay, the learning outcomes are statements that describes the knowledge or skills that trainees should require at the end of the training program. So, the evaluation design that was used in this learning outcome is the pre-test slash post-test evaluation design. Okay, how does this work? Is the trainees would sit uh, an answer a survey before entering the program, okay, before participating in the program, and after participating in the program they would sit and answer the same survey. This is to see whether the training program is effective to trainees or not. The expected result is, of course, the post-test results must be higher than the pre-test results. That's all.